Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated MCQs of political science for the test of NTS, FPSC and PPSC. Before start the video, please subscribe this channel. Today our topic is international law. Question: which one of the following is called the father of international law? A. Pufendorf, B. Hugo Grotius, C. J. L. Brearley, D. Humphrey Wardock. Its correct answer option B. Hugo Grotius. Question: the Law of Nations, an introduction to the international law of peace, was written by A. J. L. Brearley, B. Pufendorf, C. Hugo Grotius, D. Humphrey Wardock. Its correct answer option A. J. L. Brearley. Question: who laid the foundations for international law? A. Pufendorf, B. Hugo Grotius, C. J. L. Brearley, D. Humphrey Wardock. Its correct answer option B. Hugo Grotius. Question: Grotius wrote the Doctrine of Freedom of the Seas in A. 1609, B. 1610, C. 1615, D. 1709. Its correct answer option A. 1609. Question: a diplomat is immune from host country's law. A. in all cases, B. in civil and criminal cases, C. moral turpitude. Its correct answer option B. in civil and criminal cases. Question: the term of judges of the ICJ is A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 9 years. Its correct answer option D. 9 years. Question: the International Court of Justice ICJ is A. organ of the UN, B. established by UN member states, C. established by the European Union, D. established by the USA. Its correct answer option A. organ of the UN. Question: the most favored nation treatment is A. not extended to any other state, B. extended to any third state, C. to a particular state. Its correct answer option C. to a particular state. Question: a country grants the MFN status to an other country if it is interested in increasing A. trade with that country, B. military relation with that country, C. cultural relations with that country, D. people to people contact with that country. Its correct answer option A. trade with that country. Question: territorial integrity is the principle of international law that means A. a state interfere in internal affairs of another state. B. A state cannot interfere in other states' internal affairs. C. A state's boundaries are secure and cannot be attacked. Its correct answer, option C. A state's boundaries are secure and cannot be attacked. Question. The contiguous zone must be claimed. A. A no man's land between two states. B. An area of sea beyond territorial waters. C. An area of sea beyond the exclusive economic zone. Its correct answer, option B. An area of sea beyond territorial waters. Question. How many states had a claim on 24 miles contiguous till mid 1987? A. 26 states. B. 27 states. C. 28 states. D. 30 states. Its correct answer, option A. 26 states. Question. Non registration of a treaty means A. Invalidates the treaty. B. Treaty cannot be invoked before a UN organ. C. It has no effect at all on the treaty. Its correct answer, option B. Treaty cannot be invoked before a UN organ. Question. International Law Commission consists of 34 members which are elected by A. UN Security Council. B. UN General Assembly. C. Security Council and General Assembly. Its correct answer, option B. UN General Assembly. Question. According to the international law, a state can use force only A. When its own security so demands. B. By entering into a treaty with another state. C. When it is attacked by another state. Its correct answer, option C. When it is attacked by another state. Question. Territorial asylum is A. An exercise of territorial sovereignty. B. An impingement of territorial sovereignty. C. Granted by mutual consent. Its correct answer, option A. An exercise of territorial sovereignty. Question. Extradition is granted in case of A. Ordinary criminals. B. Political and religious criminal. C. Heads of state and government. Its correct answer, option B. Political and religious criminals. Question. Diplomatic relations are established by A. Mutual consent. B. A unilateral decision. C. A decision of a regional organization. Its correct answer, option A. Mutual consent. Question. Who said international law is law in the true sense of the term? A. Oppenheim. B. Brearley. C. Hall. D. Kelsen. Its correct answer, option D. Kelsen. Question. Rights of landlocked state are governed by A. Rules of customary international law. B. Convention on the law of sea. C. Mutual consent. Its correct answer, option B. Convention on the law of sea. Question. The Harman Doctrine is A. Part of international law. B. renounced before it could take roots in international law. C. Attempting to earn general acceptance. D. International Natural Resources Law. Its correct answer option D. International Natural Resources Law. Question. According to the international law, territorial integrity means that nation states should not attempt to promote section movement or to promote border changes in other nation states. The same action by a country termed the A. Act of aggression, B. Non interference in the internal affairs of another state, C. A state's boundary are secure and cannot be attacked. Its correct answer option A. Act of aggression. Question. A country is absolutely sovereign over the portion of an international watercourse within its border. This opinion is based upon the Judson-Harmon doctrine of A. Harmon doctrine, B. Freedom of the seas doctrine, C. Calvo doctrine. Its correct answer option A. Harmon doctrine. Question. Who said international law is the body of principles and rules which civilized states consider as binding upon them in their mutual relations? A. Oppenheim, B. Brearley, C. Hall, D. Kelson. Its correct answer option A. Oppenheim. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share the video. Allah Hafiz.